It's you! I'm really happy to see you. I'm really happy. Can you guess what sound we're doing today? It's really fun. It's this sound. R. This sound is so hard to say. I'm going to show you up close. R. Did you see my tongue go up? R. Do you see the lion? Should we get the lion to move by saying grrr? It's right in there. Grrr. Oh, I bet if you say grrr, the lion's gonna come closer. Ready? Go. Grrr, 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 grrr. Ah! Whoa! You made the lion come over here. Now there's another animal. What animal is that? A tiger. Yeah, a tiger can say grr too. Let's practice that sound again. Is he gonna come get me? I hope not. Let's try. Say grr, 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 grr. Whoa, that was close. What? There's another animal? What's that one? A bear. Yeah. Should we make the bear come with our grrr sound? Okay, let's try one more time. I'm a little nervous. Here we go. Grrr, 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 grrr. Ah, good job. You said grrr so much. Way to go. Let's name some things that start with that grrr sound. Do you know what this is? Grass. Yeah, grass grows in the ground. Let's say that. Grass grows in the ground. Yeah, it does. Oh, the grass is gone. This is a color. Do you know what color this is? Gray. Yeah, you got it. That's the gray color, the color of concrete, the color of elephants. Yeah. Oh, now there's a food there. I like this food. Do you know what this is called? Grapes. Yeah, grapes. These are grapes. Nice. Grapes are great. Can you say that? Grapes are great. Let's sing Ring Around the Rosie. Ring around the rosy. You can spin in a circle while you do this one, just like these kids. Here we go. Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posy. Hush, hush, we all fall down. Whoop. Should we do that again? You help me with the R sound. Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posy. Hush, hush, we all fall down. Oh, that's fun. Can you say fall down again? Fall down. Oh. So silly. Let's do some rhymes where the words start with R or W, because sometimes those two sound the same. Like you can say wed or red. Wed is not a color, but red is this color. This is a weed. Yeah, they grow in the ground and we kind of pull them out. It's a weed. This is read. Yeah, the girl is reading. We read a book, not Weed a book, huh? Read a book. This animal is a whale. Yeah, a whale. Can you say whale? It swims in the ocean. This is rail. Railway. Yeah, railway is where trains go. Not a whaleway. What would that even look like? Whaleway. It's railway. Yeah. We're going to sing a song about rain. Rain. Yeah, it goes like this. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Teacher Jen wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yeah, okay, you help me this time. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Teacher Jen wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Good job. Thanks for helping me sing that. I have a question for you.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday? That's a good one. Mine's in February. What do we do on our birthdays? On our birthday. Yeah. Well, we have one of these. It's a cake. And what's on top of the cake? Candles. What do we do with the candles? Yes, we blow them out. Let's do a big breath of air and blow. Ooh, and they all blow out. And what do we get on our birthday? Presents. Yeah, I love to open a present. That's so fun. And who comes over on our birthday? Friends. Yeah, friends and family. Family and friends. Good. And what do we wear on our birthday? A party hat. Do you like mine? That was fun. I know another song about rain. There's lots of songs about rain. This one goes, it's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head in the middle of the bed and he couldn't get up in the morning. Yeah, do you hear all those ers? You help me this time. Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head in the middle of the bed and he couldn't get up in the morning. Nice job. Did you say morning? Oh, that's a hard one. Good job. Let's say a rhyme. Do you know how to rhyme? That's when two words sound the same at the end, like blue and you. That's in this rhyme. Ready? Roses are red. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. And so are you! Yay! I'm gonna say it again. You help. Roses are red. Good job. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. And so are you! Yay! Good rhyming. Let's practice some feeling words that have R in them. Let's use our talker to help us think of some. Do you see them over here? I see this one.
Bored.
Bored. This is bored. When you have nothing to do, you feel bored. Let's pick another one. How about
Frustrated.
frustrated? Whoa, that has two sounds. You get frustrated when something's not going right. I'm frustrated. Here's another one.
Scared.
Scared. Ah! That's when you get scared by something. Can you say scared? Oh, that person got scared. Wah! Sometimes you can feel like this.
Tired.
Tired. Yeah. If you don't go to bed, you're going to be tired. Yeah, like this person. When I need to eat, I feel
Hungry.
hungry. Yeah, I need to eat because I'm hungry. Like this person. And one more feeling word. Here we go.
Thirsty.
Thirsty. Oh, that's when I need to drink because I'm thirsty. Yeah, like this. Thirsty. Glug, 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 glug. Oh, that helps. I'm in a garden. A garden. Yay! I know a rhyme about a garden. It goes like this. Get your hand out. Round and round the garden went the teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle you under there. Oh, that tickles. Let's do that again. Here's your hand. You help me say it. Round and round the garden went the teddy bear. Nice. One step, two step, tickle you under there. Oh, that got me. Here's another version of that one. Hand out again. This time it's a haystack, but we're still going round and round. Yep. Round and round the haystack goes the little mouse. One step, two step into his little house. Yeah, into his little house. Good job. I know another rhyme, but it's kind of silly. Should I tell you? Yes? Okay. But I warned you, it's silly. This one goes rub-a-dub-dub. That's funny. Can you say rub-a-dub-dub? Yeah, let's do it. Rub-a-dub-dub. 3 men in a tub. And who do you think they be? The butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker. All put out to sea and they float away. Bye. Okay, let's do that again. Remember, you have to say rub-a-dub-dub. It's kind of hard. Here we go. Rub-a-dub-dub. 3 men in a tub. 1, 2, 3. And who do you think they be? The butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker. All put out to sea. Yeah. All right, friends, that's all we have for today. I had a great time learning the R sound with you. Bye. Have a wonderful day.